Well, just got the car back from Staying High Performance in Gonzales, Louisiana, where we added Corsa Longtube Catless heads, some retune on the dyno. It already has Corsa Active Extreme exhaust. So, yeah, and then put the wing on it a while back. Scott Drake. Pretty satisfied with it. It's pretty cool. It's got the wicker bill built in. It's a little windy out here. Hopefully it's not affecting the video. I know it's pretty damn loud on the cold start, but we're going to get a clip of it. So here we go. Pretty freaking loud. Quiet it down, right? Very nice though. Not bad.